So what I'm gonna show you today is the best Dynasty tips and tricks for 2025, okay? Now the first thing that you must do, of course, is to understand the basic core roles and team composition. You must have a balanced lineup, okay? And you gotta aim for one playmaker, one scorer, and one defender or rebounder. You must avoid stacking three scorers, okay? Because that's gonna be too much, and that's not gonna give you a good defense, okay? Now, also, you must choose player roles at a glance, okay? So you must be quick in choosing what kind of player you actually want, okay? So yeah. Now, the best players, in my opinion, for 2025 are in the S tier, meaning in the best tier, are probably Curry, okay, which is the one that I have right now. But that's for his quarter, okay. If you, for example, if you're like a defense, you can use something like Gasol, okay, and LeBron, Luca, Alexander, and things like that, okay. In an A tier, you have Giannis, Bam and Capella, Clay and Booker, and so on and so on. Okay, so these are the ones that I actually recommend. You can just look for them in here, okay, in this section, players. Now, about the gameplay tactics, you have, of course, offense and defense. In terms of the offense, I recommend that you actually read the court and you kick out when your defense collapses, okay? You must also execute very quick plays. It's a very fast-paced game. And you must, use cats and screens to open shots, okay? In terms of the defense timing here, what I'm gonna recommend you do is that you stay between your man and the rim, okay? And you just jump blocks right when their feet leave the ground, okay? Because if you do it later or sooner, it's not gonna count and it's not gonna work, okay? So keep that in mind. Now you can also use like a controller if that's make it easier for you. That's usually going to be best in terms of scoring, and that's going to make your life easier. Okay, if you don't want to play with your phone here, but yeah. So also make sure that you claim your rewards and you are flexible in your roles. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Just choose your players correctly and make sure that you have like a balanced team. Okay. So yeah, guys, also remember that you can always go to the practice mode in here and you can choose between a free practice, a skill practice, a street rules, and street rookie. This is definitely what I recommend that you go if you want to improve your game much, much faster, okay? I especially recommend that you practice skill practice and street rookie. Okay, these are great modes in my opinion. But yeah, just level up and see how you're gonna improve fast, okay? Thank you so much, guys.